I'm going to show you this method that I'm using during remote learning that allows me to very quickly check on student progress and see if students have questions. I have been creating Google Docs. I call it a daily check-in sheet. I create a copy for each student. When you go in, you can see how we see the 4 students in this class have been assigned the doc. Typically, you would have to click on this, let it load, read what's in here. For this particular class I'm showing you, there's only 4 students, not a big deal. But if you have 6 classes of 30 students, this is a lot of work. What I've discovered is that if I'm in my Google Classroom and I go to classwork, I can click on that class drive folder, and this will open up a new window that takes you to Google Drive. You'll see that there is a folder for that particular assignment in Google Classroom. Now, I actually see a thumbnail of each of these assignments, and I can see there are some that are not filled out at all. So I can see that this student had one specific question on Tuesday. What's also nice about this is that the thumbnail is big enough that I can see if they've left the question section blank, if they've written NA or no or none today. I like this method very much because it saves me from having to click on every single assignment. Quick, efficient, and is giving students the feedback they need. I'm a fan.